are ready for a kayak.
We are down at Clontarf Water Sports. We are doing a bit of kayaking and rover inside. It's nice to get away from the college for a day.
I think the water's like diamonds,
Shimmering off.
Yeah, that's why I like that as well. Where you can see the shimmer like diamonds.
Be careful when you're putting your feet down into them. We have happened kids putting their feet into the sleeves.
Oh, yeah.
Looks ridiculous. Right, so hands through the sleeves, point the fingers, reach around, pull that up. If you can't reach, you get one of your mates there. That's it. All I say is, before they give you the wetsuit and all, before you put it on, there are toilets in there. So if you need to use the toilets, use them before you put all the gear on. We have had it happen to people coming out in their wetsuit and then going, oh, teacher, I need a toilet. So before I do all this, one of these jobbies finds the head. Everyone gets one. Basically, it's just a big float, big lump, foam on your back, foam on your front. Some will have zips, some will have zips and clips. This one just has clips, so it goes over your head. I'll clear that for you. It'll go over your head. Right, so what I'll do is we'll get you to line up and I'll take all that stuff off. Because we won't be getting on the water today. I just want to get you fitted for the wetsuits and stuff, right? Next time you come, we'll be ready. Just remember what wetsuit I gave you. Yes?
Yep.
You're shouting.
Ah, there you are. They were all talking about you. I was defending you. Right, here you go. Have a hold of that one. So, as I was saying, right, roughly you want your hands to go halfway. Right. And then just make sure the distance from the edge of the paddle to your hand is the same on both sides. Because you might go, oh, there's my little box, but you might like it like that. So you have. What we're going to do is we're going to put a paddle down to the side and we're going to get a boat out. Have a big chat about the boat. Handle at the front, big handle at the front, small handle at the back. Yes? Yeah. Two holes in the boat, one at the feet, one at the seat. That's it. When the water comes in, when people are splashing or it's raining, water comes, you know, so we never step in them. We sit on the back, nice and easy. Slide around, nice and easy. Slip into the boat, nice. See, everything's nice and easy. Make sure my back is against the back of the boat. Make sure I'm sitting in the middle. If I'm sitting to one side, the boat leans, you fall, I have to laugh. Right, in the middle, it's all balanced, we're all happy. Up at the front, can you see? Come here. There's people behind me, I don't trust you.
You push them in.
Right, so see to get out, sit up onto the back, slide around, 2 feet underneath you, and stand up.
I'm on shore.
At the end, when we're back to the slip, yeah.
Right.
We need to, when we're getting out of the boat, we never stand up, it's bad, you're gonna fall.
You're gonna fit,
Right,
yeah.
so I only have so much laugh in me, you know. I don't want to waste it all, you know.
It's yellow.
Yeah, people call it the banana boat, yeah. Remember I said about the 2 holes? Let the rain out. If right, they're nice solid boats. Safe as houses, as they say. Right, so what we're going to do is a bit of teamwork. Right. Volunteer, hold the back of the boat there. Right. I'm going to grab the front and then we're going to walk down here.
How you getting on, Rachel?
Good.
Enjoying it?
Yeah. It's much cooler on the water than it's something.
Have you got wet yet?
What's
going on?
Yourself, Donald?
My bum is wet. Okay, I'll give you a push. Off you go.
You want to go up to the tunnel. Nice and easy, nice big long stroke. See how up this way. Hands on the paddles. Start with the real easy one.
Who's
Simon
hurt?
says, do a handstand.
You can't do a handstand in a boat.
Come on, really.
Why do you hurt yourself? You can't do a handstand if you're like you can flip over if you're tied in the boat.
Excuses. Right, Simon says spin the boat. So paddle on one side, spin, paddle on one side only, and the boat will spin. See that?
Spin a wheel.
So if you think to do a front way, as well as the downward. You're gonna spin. So you're gonna stay sitting down. You're gonna get your feet out to the side, to the back, to the other side, back to the front again. While sitting down. Out, right. Well, how easy is that? Are you finished? Did you do it and all? Yeah, that's only the quarter of the way. Where's the rest of it? Do a 360.
Oh, Jesus.
Your head went across me. Okay. Give it a go.
It's very scary when you do it.
It's not really.
It is.
It's not really. Okay. There you go.
Oh God.
That's it, Ross. Halfway. 180. That's a 180. Keep going.
You gonna do it, Rachel? You hold
270.
You hold this for a second. I can't reach it.
Lovely. 360. Get in.
Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here's Donald.
Down. He's making a show of you.
I gotta do the floss.
Ew! Just threw that in for good measure there, you know. Threw the style there.
He did it!
Rachel's doing it now.
Let's see if I can do it.
Come on, no pressure. No pressure, Theo.
Let's see if I can.
You don't care about the paddles, he floats. Take a look at them. Yeah, nice and easy that day. You're doing it, Theo.
Well done, Deontay.
Paddling, Rachel, try not
That
to
was
lean.
scary.
If you lean, you could
I nearly
fall.
went. I was like, oh, Jesus.
But now you have to laugh. Simon says, up on your knees, please.
Up on your knees?
Up on your knees.
Oh, Jesus.
Your knees, please. Go on, you know you want that. You want that.
My God!
Come on. Don't let me down here.
Oh, Jesus!
You're going to have Donald down in a second. And he's going to throw in another dab. Or
I can't do it! How are yours, son?
Oh, no. Give it a go. Up on your knees, please. Rachel,
I am camera.
Oh, Ross is doing it.
Go on, Deontay.
He's just facing the wrong way. Oh, doing it. Look on your knees. Long side and up the ass. Look on your knees.
It's okay, Rossi. Go on, Don. Let's see you do it.
As they say, you can just throw that in, Donald. Lovely. Thank you. Right, so, anybody else want to give it a go?
Donald, you give it a go.
There you go. See that? Donald is the tallest here. Hey, he's gone! He's gone! He let them fall! Me hair! Save your hair! What we're going to try now, Simon wants us to sit on the back of the boat. On the back of the boat is behind you. It's a nice flat bit. You just steer up on that. You can feel it as you want. If you want to sit as far back as you can.
I'm sitting here at this.
The further you sit back, the higher the nose of the boat goes up.
Oh no, I was on a course there, I can't course.
Yes. You know what's next?
What?
Simon says you're sitting on the back of the boat, you're lying back, and you get your head
You look, you can't fall out of your boat, you're
in the
strapped
water.
in.
I can fall out.
You're strapped
Of
in.
course I can fall out.
You're
Of course I
strapped
can
in.
fall out. Of course I can fall out. Not
That
strapped,
hasn't
that
strapped
doesn't
in.
stop the water getting in. It doesn't stop me falling. I'll save your life, don't worry, I'll save your life. How am I going to do that? How am I supposed to?
Right, you do this one, look.
Don't do my whole camera again, sir.
Hopefully. That's not how you do it. You're supposed to stay dry. Right? This is what we call a raft. Right?
I don't think at all.
So, yes, this is what's going to happen now. We're going to ask you to do stuff, and you're going to hold the boat, don't worry about paddles. Once your nose is in, Dante, just pull yourself back. Hold the boat, hold the boat, hold the boat! Right, so that was good, well done. Next one, Ross, you're up. You know where you're going. To the front of the boat. Stick your head in the water.
The front.
So now it's Rachel and Donald that will be doing most of the work. You're supporting his boat. That was good. Yeah. I know. Well done, Dante.
If I don't come over in too far off.
Could you clench your little toes like that? Stop. So nice and easy. Remember, we're holding the boat. Don't worry about the paddles.
Holding boat.
Holding the boat. Holding the boat. We're holding the boat.
Hold the rope. Got it. I have it tight. If you hold both the ropes,
Don't
it's easy.
care about letting the paddle go. Hold the boat.
Trust me, Ross. I got you.
It's all about the thrust. It's the thrust. Thrust, stay low. Help them as well. You stay really low.
That's it, Ross. You're doing great.
Off the boat.
Well done, Ross.
Do it slow. You're cheating. You're going to the side. Go to the front. If you go to the side, you're leaning. Go to the very front.
You got it, Ross.
Just like that. Help me to help you. Help me to help you. There you go.
Well done, Ross.
I'm forever blowing bubbles. And then you have to go back. Hold the boat.
You got it.
Stay low. Lovely. Hold the boat.
I might kick you by accident. Well done.
Right, we hold the boat.
Yeah.
Right, Steve and Rachel, swap boat. You can just slide across. No bother at all here.
Teamwork. Slow.
That's it, teamwork. Use your words.
Slowly.
Hold it.
Breathe.
This.
Breathe in.
Yes.
Don't jump straight away. Wait till one's gone.
And
You
you
smoke
smoke
the big
as well. Yes.
Well done. Hold on to it. Well done, Stephen.
I'm in here. I'm holding the boat as well.
Nearly there, Rachel.
Yeah, you're there. You're there. You're there. Don't fall. Breathe. Don't panic. There you go. Get your balance. There we go. And then we're back holding the boat.
It's just a banana boat to go. That yellow one there. Right, so what we'll do is, for the people that want to, we're going to walk to the front of the pontoon and we're jumping in. Right. The tide is going out fast, so it's quite low now, so you will feel the bottom. So there'll be no flips, there's no front flips or back flips, it's just kind of straightforward. Right, plunk in, and then
I gotta go. This is waterproof, right? Alright, I'm going. Alright. Okay. Here we go.
paddle. Take a paddle with you. One for everyone in the audience. And we're going to walk back up to the tent and the bucket. I still have that scissors now.
No. Thanks.
Standing up and on, he was doing them all, he was swapping over boats, standing up, sticking your head in the water. No bothers. No bothers, so hands up. There you go.
I have a bit of fun, but Alan's fun. Not that I've ever a little swim in the water.
He's a bit of a messer,
Yeah.
Alan. What did you call him at the start of the
Hello.
Glen?
So it's pretty good today, so
Yeah.
hooray!
Just finished kayaking with Alan. It was good fun. We did a few games as Simon says. It's very cold. Deontay was the first person that fell in, and then the rest then followed. Donald fell in head first, and then we did some kayaking, and then he got us chances like standing up on the boat, switching boats, and then we did some pier jumping. So it was great fun, and I recommend everybody else to give it a try.
Hi everybody, it's Nuala here from Dublin City Sport and Wellbeing Partnership. We're delighted to welcome CRC to East Wall Water Sports Centre today. We had the gang out doing some kayaking, so we were out in the water here behind me. I think everyone jumped in. I think Donald might even have been pushed in, but it looked like a lot of fun, and we're looking forward to having more members of CRC join our programmes throughout the summer.